Alright, so we've been having problems with our clothes not getting dried properly, and you notice a lot of lint is built up in the dryer. The ventilation is clogged and built up, so it has to go somewhere, so it's just blowing back in and just making a mess inside of here. So I have to pull this out and check the whole ventilation system to see if there's any clogs build up. So let's pull this out and see what we got back there. Pull this out. Yeah. See? It's getting a lot of buildup on it. Yeah. Yeah. Where my laundry room is centered in between rooms. Like I got the garage, there's a bedroom on the other side, and then rooms on the other side. So my vent runs through the attic up through the roof. There's a gooseneck vent on my roof, and I can go up there and check underneath there to make sure nothing's clogged in there also. Alright, so here's the gooseneck here. It's bright out here, I don't know if you can see that, but this is some buildup here. Yep. So this is getting clogged up here. So no wonder we're having issues reaching in and grabbing what I can out of it. See, there's a I don't know if you can see it in there, but there's this flapper that opens and closes. It allows the lint to blow out, and then it closes to keep the rain from getting in there. I'm gonna hook everything back up and run it, and then go back up here and see if it's blowing through. Alright, so I got it hooked back up here, and I was hooking this back up, but I noticed this is all damaged, and there's a hole here, there's holes in this, and I don't have aluminum tape. I'm going to cut it back to where there's no damages, and there's still enough in this to stretch out what I need. You can use a straight blade or whatever to cut. This is just what I have at the moment. Alright, so that's tight on there. Now it's blowing really nice. So yeah, it's a pretty easy fix. It's just a matter of just getting in there, taking things apart. I'll just keep track of it, make sure it doesn't get that bad again. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I hope this was helpful. If there's anything else you'd like to see, I'll see what I can do to make that happen. Yeah, you can see all this that was built up in there. See why it was causing problems. I didn't know this. It's a side note, but I have the option of switching this door on this side to make it swing the other way. Like I could switch this to here, and then the hinges I can switch to here, and then flip it around to where the door opens this way. Huh, interesting.